Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We're having a really beautiful sunny day here, guys, and I know a lot of you are worrying about the crypto markets and thinking that the crypto markets are going down. They are going down right now, so we're going to talk about that, and I think that we're going to see a huge relief rally coming this weekend. So, I don't think things are going to be that bad. We're going to talk about why the crypto went down. We do have some positive news. We see El Salvador just picked up 410 Bitcoins. And also, I'm going to show you one of the biggest Bitcoin wallets. They're still buying Bitcoin like crazy, guys. So I think that, one of the reasons and the additional reason why we saw Bitcoin going down is because of the SEC and Michael Saylor and Microstrategy. Basically, the SEC doesn't agree with their accounting practices. And, that's putting a huge damper on the Michael Saylor stock. And Michael Saylor stock dropped almost 17%, the biggest drop in history. So I think it's just really unfair for the accounting practices of Bitcoin, guys. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to jump into a whole bunch of stuff, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. Well, not really right now. We're seeing that a lot of the markets are going down right now. And I think we're going to see a huge recovery to the upside. I think we're going to see a reversal this weekend. And if you look back at the last 4 weekends in a row, we have seen that every weekend, the cryptos have been up for the last 4 weekends. So I think we're going to see an upside rally pretty soon, guys. So this is a good time to be alive. And guys and gals, don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is the OG in-house, guys. And remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So you got to do your own risk management. Do what you think is right. Do what feels right. So I'm still holding on to my coins. I'm not doing a thing. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging on Monday, guys. I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin. This is a great time to be buying Bitcoin. We're seeing that the fear and greed index right now is at 13. So, and that's better than I expected. I expected the Bitcoin to be lower than 13. Not Bitcoin, but the fear and greed index, I expected to be lower than where it is. So that's pretty good. And I think that we're going to see a whole bunch of relief rally coming this weekend, guys. So let's jump into content. I'm also going to tell you where I see that Bitcoin could go, the lowest it could go as well. So let's jump into content, guys, without any further delay. Let's get it. Hey guys and gals, so it's OG here. Let's jump into the content, guys. Let's jump into the content right now, guys. And first of all, let's start, with this is happening is, a lot of people saying that markets are expected to remain on edge as the Fed meets at the end of the week, guys. So as I told you guys that we have this big federal meeting with Jeremy Powell on the 26th of this month, guys. And we're probably going to see that a lot of the markets are going to be on edge, guys. And the Federal Reserve meeting is on Tuesday and Wednesday. It is the big event for markets ahead, and we're not going to see really much happening. We're going to see that we could see that the market's going to be going sideways, but I really expect that we could see an absolute weekend rally. I believe we're going to see a weekend bounce coming pretty soon. And the reason I say that is if you go back and look at the 4 past weekends for Bitcoin, you're seeing that the price has gone up. So that is absolutely uppity up. Also we're seeing that earnings is in full swing right now, and about half of the Dow Jones 30 stocks reporting, and reports expected from the biggest market cap stocks, Apple and Microsoft. So hopefully we'll see that Microsoft and Apple, they'll start to have some positive earnings, because that will also help to push up the stock market, guys. So we really need to see the broader markets absolutely go up, guys. I did talk about in the intro, MicroStrategy shares drop on Bitcoin's slide. SEC rejects the company's crypto accounting. So as you guys know right now, that if you take a loss on Bitcoin, you need to report that. But if you make a profit, you can't report that as a win until you sell Bitcoin. So this is really an unfair accounting practice. So MicroStrategy decided what they wanted to do is they were going to report the losses and also the gains, but the SEC said no, we're not going to allow it, and that caused a 17.8% tumble in the MicroStrategy stocks overall, guys. So that was not good. That was also one of the catalysts that also pushed down Bitcoin as well last night. And we had the Russian FUD and all this stuff going out. But I believe that this weekend we're going to see but we're going to see definitely a weekend rally coming in, guys. And we've seen that 4 times in a row, guys. So some bullish news right now. We're seeing that El Salvador in the house is still picking up more and more Bitcoin. So that tells me that Bitcoin is not down and out. And not only that, if you look at MicroStrategy, they have 122,000 Bitcoin on the books right now, and their average buying price is around about $31,000 an ounce. And I don't think that they're going to allow Bitcoin to be going down, down. lower than $31,000 an ounce. And I don't think we're going to go that far down, guys. And if we do, if we absolutely do go down to $31,000, I'm not going to be panicking. I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be buying everything that is possible, guys. So right now, let's take a look at where Bitcoin is right now. Let me just shrink my face down a little. So right now we can see that Bitcoin right now is trading at 34,594. So what I think that's really going to happen, you can see that we had this support zone here, and that support zone was between 38 and 42. So we've invalidated that support zone. So how low do I think that Bitcoin is going to go? So I really think that if from my perspective, typically a descending triangle is pretty bullish, but that pattern has been broken down. So I really believe that we could be seeing that we could be going from this level here, marked to here, from the top to here, and I believe that we could be seeing Bitcoin easily going down as low as $31,000 in-house, guys. So I do not panic. If we get as low as $31,000, I'm still not selling. I'm going to be buying more and more Bitcoin, but I believe that we're going to see a huge weekend rally coming, guys. I think we're going to see a huge weekend rally, and we have seen that on the last 4 weekends for Bitcoin, we've seen that Bitcoin has turned green. So right now, if you look at the daily right now for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not looking too good on the daily right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading at $34,461, guys. So and we're seeing that the MACD is in huge green. We're seeing that right now Bitcoin is hugely oversold right now, and a lot of the catalyst has been this whole more than $1 billion worth of leveraged longs have been liquidated, guys. It's just insane in the membrane. We're seeing that almost a huge ton of long liquidations out there. We're seeing right now that almost $987 million worth of long have been liquidated, and that really tells me that what's going to happen is we're going to see the Bitcoin price go down to this level, and then we're going to see a short squeeze, guys. We're going to see a huge short squeeze, and that is going to signal the recovery of Bitcoin, and that's going to take Bitcoin, I believe, back up to about $44,000 in the house. And then if we can do that, guys, if absolutely we can do that, then we're definitely going to be seeing a definite reversal for Bitcoin, and we could see ourselves going up to this area. So I'm still pretty bullish on Bitcoin, and even if it doesn't happen, I don't care, because you can see that the second biggest whale for Bitcoin, he's still buying, guys. He has bought at 6:58 a.m. on the 22nd, which is today. He bought 328 Bitcoin, guys, and that's $11 million. He also bought on the 19th 249 Bitcoin, which is $10 million. He bought 145 as well. So this guy keeps buying and buying and buying. And if the whales are still gobbling up Bitcoin, that just tells me that the price is definitely going to rebound, guys. Because why would you want to be gobbling up these huge amounts, 20, 26, $30 million worth of Bitcoin, if you thought this thing was going to be going down, down? Wouldn't you wait? Wouldn't you wait? No. These guys absolutely know something that, hey, there's a bull, guys. You can see the bull right there in the background. I'm not making this up, guys. This is not staged. You can see the guy riding the bull. Look, see the guy riding the bull, guys. You see the guy? He's in the background riding the bull. This is bullish, guys. This just is more evidence that we're going to see a huge green weekend, guys. Hopefully that's going to happen, guys. I would really appreciate that happen. So, this is from Plan C, and he's saying if we look at the 3 different models, and this is the floor price band. This is what this means. The floor price band is the lowest price that they think that Bitcoin can hit. So based on the current price trajectory and the technicals, the Plan C floor price, he's saying could be anywhere between 30 and 33,000. The logarithmic curve is saying it could be between 26,800. The miner floor model is 20,000. What that means is the miners, if the Bitcoin price goes below $20,184, that means that miners are going to start to lose money, and what's going to happen is they will have to start to sell. And if miners start to sell their Bitcoin, then you're going to see Bitcoin dump like never before. I don't think Bitcoin is going to get that low. Absolutely, I don't believe that. You shouldn't believe that for a second. Also, if you look at the 3-day RSI now, it's in a low area that has only been visited 5 other times in BTC history, and that, I believe, is indicative that this is the bottom, guys. This is the absolute bottom. I don't think we're going to go down any further. Sure, we may retest this level. We may get into the we may go as low as 31,000, but I don't think we're going to get any lower than that. And that if we do get that lower than that, this is going to be the huge bounce up point, guys. But I really believe that we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend, guys. I absolutely believe that we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend, guys. So that is what I'm thinking, guys. So probably just coincidence right now. We're seeing the market cap to thermal cap ratio, the 240 hour moving average. We can see right now, if we look at this, this is also indicative of we're going to see a huge move to the upside pretty soon, guys. So I really believe that I don't think we're going to see much more bleeding out. I think we're going to have a reversal coming pretty soon, guys. That's what I think. Let's take a look at the Doge right now. So Doge, as you guys know, it's also not doing too good. Everything's not doing too good. We're seeing the Doge right now is at 12 cents, and that has collapsed down as well. And 13 cents has now been invalidated as a support zone. That has to be red right now, so we're going to turn that red, guys. We're going to turn that red, but I believe we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend, guys. Keep this date in mind that on the 26th we got the FOMC statement at Federal Chair. This is going to be the huge turning point for the crypto markets. Absolutely, if we see some positive news out, this is going to turn the markets green, 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 guys. I absolutely believe it. So also too, we can see right now the exchange whale ratio is very high. The top 10 hourly deposits in each exchange took 90% inflow. So we're seeing right now that we're seeing a lot of inflows into the exchanges right now. And typically, you guys can see here that typically in a market, top 10 transaction divided in top total inflows. In a bull market, this indicator is likely to keep below 85%. In a bear market, this indicator will keep above 85%. So right now we're seeing that this indicator, let me get my face in the picture, we're seeing that this indicator just flashed 90%. So if this indicator stays above 90%, then this is going to indicate that we're definitely in a bear market. But I don't believe it. I think we're going to get a reversal. And also, too, if we look at the long-term HODL SOPR spike, meaning some of the long-term holders tried to sell their Bitcoin. So we are seeing a little bit of the long-term holders right here. They did, in fact, try to sell their Bitcoin, and some have sold their Bitcoin and capitulated, guys. So this is another reason why we're seeing that Bitcoin went down overall. I am not selling anything, and I'm not telling you what to do or what you should not be doing. We're also seeing Coinbase Premium Index fluctuating, possibly indicating the selling pressure mostly came from U.S. institutional investors. So we're seeing that a lot of the selling came from Coinbase Premium, and what that means is that a majority of the Bitcoin being sold has absolutely come from the U.S., guys. So I believe that this is absolutely coming from the U.S., and I believe that we're going to see a huge weekend rally, guys. I may be wrong, but I think we're going to see a huge weekend rally, guys. So we're seeing right now also about $42 million worth of Doge was moved from multiple addresses to unknown wallet, guys. So people are still not selling the Dogecoin; they're still moving them around. So this is pretty bullish news in the house, guys. So let's jump into the Shiba Inu price. So Shiba Inu right now is not looking good, guys. It has gone down to 1769, and it was absolutely a terrifying breakdown for Shiba Inu in-house. But this is, I believe, is a good buying zone, guys. Absolutely a good buying zone. So I would be dollar cost average. Remember, this is not financial advice. If you look at the total TVL right now of most of the chains in the house, we can see that right now Phantom has moved up to the number 4th spot. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be definitely picking up more Phantom, because I think Phantom is definitely going to be exploding. And you can see that Solana has dropped to number 6, minus 14%. Avalanche has dropped, but Phantom's TVL is growing and growing and growing. So this is very positive news if you're a Phantom holder. I mean, that's not being played out in the price right now, because we see the price is kind of in the toilet right now. So I wouldn't panic about it too much. We're seeing Ethereum is also taking a huge dump right now. We're going to jump in the market cap, and we're going to jump in the coins in a second. We're seeing that Ethereum is taking a huge dump, and it's at $2,338. I think it's a good buying opportunity right now. And also too, right now we're seeing that Phantom is also taking a huge dump, guys. Phantom has dropped today on the daily already. It's dropped. It's gone down. It's gone down about 35%, guys. And Phantom is trading at $1.80, guys. And our next support level is around about this area here. Our next support level is around about $1.24. So let's just mark that in right now. So our next support level is around about here. around about this level, guys. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on this level. This level is gonna act as support. Let's make that green. So hopefully we can stay above that. Hopefully we'll get this huge turnaround that I'm expecting to happen this weekend. We're also seeing right now that Solana has also broken down as well, and we're gonna see our next support level for Solana around about this area here, which is our next huge support level for Solana, which is going to be around about $66 is going to be our next huge support level in the house, guys. So yeah, it's not looking too good, but I think that we're going to see a huge reversal. We're seeing that the market cap just keeps dropping like a ton of bricks, guys, and we're seeing that the market cap right now is at 159 trillion and the volume is at 105.78 billion, and we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is just going up because a lot of people are dumping, a lot of people are selling their old coins, guys. I still believe that we're going to see a little bit of a weekend rally, and we could see more bleeding out until the 26th of January. So hopefully, let's pray that we have some really good news. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin right now is at $34,424 in the house, guys. That's down 11.89%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is down 20%, is down a huge 20%, is at $2,335 in the house. We're seeing that BNB right now is also down 20%, is at $343. We're seeing that ADA is now below $1, so the OG is going to be picking up some ADA today, and that's down 24.21%. We're seeing that Solana is down 23% as well. We're seeing Luna is down almost 30%. We're seeing DOT is down almost 26%. We're seeing Doge is down 18%. So you can see, because the Bitcoin dominance has gone up, a lot of people have been selling off their altcoins like crazy. And this is bad news bears, guys. And we're just seeing things go down, down. So it's not looking too good out there. But I think that we're going to see a reversal coming this weekend, guys. And guys and gals, please do me a favor. Go to my Twitter. Follow. We got 3,759 followers. Go there. Follow me. I know you guys are not feeling too good now. Things are looking terrible. All I gotta say, guys, is what I'm doing, what the OG is doing is I'm not selling anything. What I'm going to be doing, though, is if I have some altcoins that are in huge profits, I'm going to be selling some of those, and I'm going to be buying up two things: Bitcoin, and I'm going to be buying up Ethereum. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making some measure moves into Ethereum and Bitcoin right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is not financial advice. So if you love the OG like I love you guys, please go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, comment. If you're wondering what that is behind me, this is rice, guys. They put in the rice about 4 or 5 days ago. I did shoot a video and did tell you about that, so you can see the rice is coming. It's looking pretty beautiful out there. So guys, don't panic in the house. Be cautious. This is not financial advice, guys, and never sell at a loss, guys. Please go back and don't forget to check out all my linky winks, guys, and buy the channel copy, become a Patreon member, guys, and don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi channel, guys. Go down there and guys, check out the merch. Pick up the mug, pick up the backpack. I know you guys are not feeling too much positivity out there. I just want to say God bless you guys. Keep positive, keep the faith, guys. I love you guys to death. I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the next one. Woo, let's get it.